Did you experience accidents before in using grinders?
The chief hazard from the wheel grinders are flying pieces of a shattered grinding wheel and being cut by the grinding wheel.
Well, follow these precautions to avoid these hazards.
Because some grinders can be converted to buffers, guards are often removed. When using the unit as a grinder, always have a guard in place. Always inspect the grinding wheel before use. The wheel should be free of cracks. All grinding wheels shall be ring tested prior to installation. Before each use, inspect the grinder to ensure that the grinding wheels are firmly attached and that the works rest are tight. Too much pressure on the wheel can cause it to fracture. Spend more time at light pressure. Always use grinding desks that are marked with the rating speed above the maximum speed of the grinder. Never use an unmarked grinding wheel. Check the spindle before mounting the wheel.
Safety first.